Welcome to English class. The peace movement. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, the students will read a passage on peace movement, take part in a discussion, write a paragraph. Learning outcome. By the end of the lesson, the students will learn new words, know about the importance of peace movement, be able to talk and write about peace movement. Peace, a condition or period in which there is no war. Movement, a group of people who make united efforts for a particular purpose. Violence, the use of physical force to hurt or harm someone. Pacifism, the belief that all wars are wrong. Diplomacy, the management of good relations between countries and government. Boycotts, refusal to do business and other activities to show disapproval. Characterized, typical of someone or something. Proliferation, rapid increase in number. Theologian, a person who has studied theology. Philanthropist, a person who gives people money to people who need it. Consul, an official who lives in a foreign city for helping the citizens of his or her country living there. Treaty, a formal agreement between two countries. Peace movement is actually a social movement for attaining ideals such as ending of a particular war, minimizing interhuman violence, banning of guns, etc. It is linked to the goal of world peace. There are a number of ways of achieving these goals: pacifism, diplomacy, nonviolent resistance, boycotts, banning of guns are some of the ways. It is actually an anti-war movement. War cannot be supported in any way. This is the main idea of peace movement. So, peace movement looks for alternative ways of solution. There are a number of peace movements around the world. For example, the New York Peace Society, founded in 1815, and the Massachusetts Peace Society. Again, there are many peace organizations in the world. The first peace organization is International Peace Congress in London in 1943, and the United Nations is also a peace organization. Focusing points of peace movement: a social movement against war, achieved through peaceful activities, against all dangerous weapons. Slogan: Stop war, keep peace. Now, read the passage from your book and answer the questions in the comment box. Thank you all for being with us.